So, dear students, in our previous class, we have discussed about how to add two integers. Okay? I gave you different conditions how to add integers. So, first of all, I am just revising everything what I have already taught. Okay? Just always remember, beta, there will be many conditions. As you all know, the integers are of two types. Okay? Integers are of two types. One is positive, another one is negative. So if I tell you that you have to add integers, so there will be many conditions. The first condition can come as two positive integers. The first can be two positive integers. मतलब अगर मैंने आपको बोल दिया कि आपको two positive integers add करने हैं, ठीक है? So always remember बेटा, for example, if I tell you that you have two bananas and I'll give you three more bananas, what will happen? You will simply add two banana plus three banana. Your answer will be 5 banana. Okay. The same happens with positive integers. For example, if I tell you, you have three positive and you have two positive. So when you have to add both, always remember your answer will be 5 positive. Once again telling you, if you have 3 positive and another side you have 2 positive, and if you have to add both, your answer will be 5 positive. The same like if I tell you, you had 17 banana, I'll give you 20 more banana, you will have total 37 banana in total. The same goes with integer also. If I tell you, you had 17 positive integers, you have 20 positive integers, and if you have to add both, your answer will be total 37 positive. Okay, this is just like a simple process. If I'll tell you, you had 8 pens, I'll give you 3 more pens, you will have total 11 pens. The same goes with integer also. If you had 8 positive, I'll give you 3 more positive. So total will be 11 positive. Okay. So again, one more example I'm giving you. Suppose you have 8 positive, I'll give you 3 more positive. You will have total 11 positive. Okay. So this is the first condition, which is when you add two positive integers. Okay. So remember, when you have two positive integers, you should simply add that, and after adding, put the sign of positive. Either you put the sign of positive or you don't put the sign of positive. Both are fine, because positive के लिए sign लिखना is not compulsory beta. So students, now for two positive integers are done. Now we are talking about when you have two negative integers and you are adding them. Adding का मतलब होता है बेटा उनको एक साथ लेना, है ना? एक साथ करना मतलब होता है you are talking about addition. So now tell me, if you have two pencils, I'll give you 3 more pencil. What will be the answer? If you have 2 pencil, I'll give you 3 more pencil. What will be the answer? Don't write 5. Answer will be 5 pencil. You write simply 5p, that is fine. You cannot say only 5. 5 means what? 5 means what? You don't have any answer together. You should write down always 5 pencils. Okay? Correct. The answer should be 5 pencils. Suppose you had 11 pencils. I gave you 2 more pencils. Now, how much you have now? How many you have? You had 11 pencils. I gave you 2 more pencils. What is the total now? Correct. 13 pencils. Now, suppose you had 3 papaya. I'll give you 2 more papaya. How much is total now? 3 papaya, 2 more papaya. How much is total? 5 papaya. Correct. If you had 3 pomegranate, I'll give you 6 pomegranate more now. How much is total? 3 pomegranate earlier, I'll give you 6 more. Okay, 9 pomegranate, correct. Now suppose you had 7 negative earlier. I give you 2 more negative now. How much is total? You had 7 negative. I give you 2 more negative. What will be now total? Correct, 9 negative. Correct answer. Suppose you had 1 negative. I'll give you 3 more negative. What will be total now? 1 negative you had, I'll give you 3 more negative. What is total now? 4 negative, correct. Okay, now tell me, suppose you had 5 negative, I will give you more 5 negative. What will be total now? You had 5 negative earlier. I gave you more 5 negative. Now what is the total now? 10 negatives, correct, 10 negatives. Same question, if I'll give you 20 negatives and now I am giving you 10 more negatives, what will be total now? You had 20 negatives, I gave you 10 more negatives. What is the total now? 30 negatives, absolutely correct. It's just simply beta that when you are adding same thing, suppose for example, I give you 5 apple plus 3 apple coming together will give you 8 apples. Okay, the same like if you had 3 negatives, I'll give 11 more negatives. The answer will be 3 plus 11, 14 negatives. Okay, and as you all know that you cannot write everywhere negatives. आप हर जगह पर negative की spelling नहीं लिख सकते बेटा. For apple, we can write it down in the short form A. The same way for the negative, we have chosen one sign. Okay, we have chosen one sign for represent negative. So that is why in simple language, I can write it down 3 negatives like this. Now this is plus 11 negatives you are adding to it. Now in total, जब आप इनको add करोगे, so आपको answer you will get it as minus 14 because you are talking about 14 negatives. I hope it is clear to you all. So students, I have given you certain questions on the board. You can see just for checking that whether what I have explained right now you have understood or not. So I want every one of you to please do this question on your fair copy and then please reply the answers to me one by one when I will ask from you. Students, you are absolutely correct. Your first answer will be plus 18. The reason will be that you have 7 positive added to 11 positive. The answer will be total 18 positive. So if you want to write the sign of plus 18, fine. If you don't want to write plus sign, it's fine if you write only 18. Both are same now. Now, students, please write down the second answer now in the chat box. It's minus 7 and it's minus 11. 7 negative coming together with 11 negative will give you the answer negative 18. Or you can also write it down 18 negative. Both are same. So the correct answer will be minus 18 in the case because both are negative beta. So both are negative, both will be coming together, will give you the answer as 18 negatives. Now move on to the C question. It's minus 8, minus 3. For example, you have 8 negatives. आपने उसमें 3 और नेगेटिव डाल दिए, तो अब टोटल हो गया आपके पास 11 नेगेटिव बेटा. ठीक है, 8 नेगेटिव तो पहले से था, 3 नेगेटिव हमने तुम्हें और दे दिया. सो नाउ यू हैव टोटल 11 नेगेटिव्स. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द फोर्थ वन, minus 11 minus 4. That means you had 11 negative earlier. I gave you 4 more negatives to you. ठीक है, मैंने आपको 4 more negative I have given, so that means the answer will be 15 negative in total. Okay, 15 negative in total. Now move on to the next one. It's minus 20. It means you had earlier 20 negatives. I gave you more 20 now. ठीक है, आपके पास 20 तो बेटा पहले से थे, मैंने आपको 20 और दे दिए. So now you have now total minus 40. That is 40 negatives. Okay, now you have total 40 negatives. Now move on to the F1. F1 is you had 5 positives. I gave you 15 more positive to you. ठीक है, पहले से आपके पास 15 पॉजिटिव थे, आपको मैंने और 5 दे दिए. So now you have total 20 positive. So plus 20 or you write only 20. Both are fine. Now last but not the least, here you can see you had 13 negatives. I gave you more 3 into it. पहले से आपके पास 13 नेगेटिव थे बेटा, मैंने आपको 3 और नेगेटिव दे दिए. I gave you more 3 negatives. So now total will be minus 16 negatives. Okay, 13 and 3 मिला करके हो जाएगा 16 and both were negative. So all total the sign will be negative only. Okay, suppose students in your class, like as you all are sitting 6th A and 6th B. Okay, you all are sitting as 6th A and 6th B are coming and studying together. Okay, suppose your class teacher says that you have a very good boy in the class who is very polite, very shy, very obedient, listening everything, responding everything, studying everything properly. That boy, as I denote as positive boy, one positive boy. Okay, and in the same class there is a boy who is very naughty, very fighting kind of person, and always whosoever not fighting with him, then too he will fight with everybody. Okay, always using abusive, always talking to somebody, always beating someone. So that kind of student will be known as negative student. Suppose, because you are knowing in class we have all that kind of student. Positive also we have in the class, negative also we have in the class always. Okay, so suppose in the class you have positive student also, negative student also. Now suppose your teacher told that in the class you will have a fighting competition. Okay, you will have a fighting competition. Okay, now what to do? You just decide that suppose here we will have 6th A के suppose 8 बच्चे. 8 बच्चे means those who were positive. ठीक है, 8 बच्चे जो बच्चे पॉजिटिव थे. ठीक है, एंड 6th B से लिए गए सपोज आपके 11 नेगेटिव बच्चे. ओके, 6th A से आए 8 पॉजिटिव बच्चे, 6th B से आए 11 नेगेटिव बच्चे. ओके, एंड नाउ they have started fighting with each other just because of fighting competition. Okay, now tell me very honestly, what do you think? Who will win? So students, remember we are moving to the last condition when you have one positive, one negative. So for example, I give you one positive and I give you one negative. Okay, and suppose I told you that you have to add this two. So remember बेटा, add करने का मतलब होता है you are taking it together. So आपके पास कुछ पॉजिटिव हैं और कुछ नेगेटिव्स हैं और अब आपको इनको सॉल्व करना है. रिमेंबर बेटा, जब दो लोग ऑपोजिट नेचर के होते हैं, एक पॉजिटिव वाला है एक नेगेटिव वाला है, तो उन लोगों की कभी भी आपस में बनती नहीं है. ठीक है, दोनों हमेशा एक दूसरे के दुश्मन होते हैं. सो रिमेंबर दे विल फाइट विथ ईच अदर, और फाइट करने का मतलब होता है दे विल सब्ट्रैक्ट ईच अदर. ठीक है, तो 20 में से जब 8 सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो आंसर आएगा 12. ठीक है, आंसर आ गया 12. एंड रिमेंबर हु विल विन, साइन किसका आएगा? जिसके नंबर्स ज्यादा होंगे. ठीक है, जिसके नंबर ज्यादा होंगे. यहां पर किसके नंबर ज्यादा है? 20 के नंबर ज्यादा हैं. So answer आ जाएगा -12. This will be the answer for this particular question. Suppose I give you another question, for example, like you have -10 and you have +18. Can you tell me who will win? Jaldi batao. Who will win now here? 18 will win, correct. So what will come? Because see this here, this is 18, this is 10. They will subtract each other. They will fight with each other. Now they will give you the answer 8. Now who will win? 18 will win. Because 18 has more number of students, I can say. So this will be now +8, the answer will be. Okay. So remember beta, when we have one positive, one negative, both will subtract each other and the answer will be always, whatever their difference will be, and the sign will be in the result with the greater number. Just जो greater number के साथ sign होगा बेटा, वही answer का sign होगा. Okay.